Started pronouns yesterday. So we were done with the definition. And now we will begin with the kinds and the examples. So first kind of pronoun is personal, which is used to denote persons in the form I, we, he, she, they, you, it, me, us, and them. Some of the words we, I, they, you, us, and them are used in plural form for the persons. Rest of the words he, she, it, and me are used with singulars. Second kind, possessives. By the personal pronouns, possessives are framed like my is converted to mine, our is converted to ours, his, the spelling remains the same, her converts to hers, their, their converts to theirs, and you and your converts to yours. So by placing s at the end of the words, possessive pronouns are formed. Okay? Only his and mine do not have s. Other than this, every personal pronoun forming possessive is having s. Next one, reflexive. Reflexive pronouns are the pronouns which show the relation with the subject. Like, I myself is responsible for this mistake. So, I is the subject and the reflexive pronoun used is myself. So, this is what I mean to say. I myself is responsible for this mistake. This is the kind of example and is called reflexive pronoun. For singulars, we are using the spelling S-E-L-F, self, and for plurals, we are using S-E-L-V-E-S, selves. Okay? The next one is emphatic pronoun. Children, as you can see in your books, both the spellings, the usage of spellings in reflexive and emphatic are same. But what is the difference? The difference is that where are the words correctly placed? Now note and pay attention that reflexive pronouns are used after the verbs in the sentence. After the verb. Like I am speaking an example. The cat hurt itself. Cat is the subject. Hurt is the verb. Action verb. And after that, itself is placed. So reflexive pronouns are always placed after the verbs in the sentence. But emphatic pronouns are always placed just after the subject. Like Sonia herself delivered the letters. Sonia is subject and just after subject herself has been placed. Sonia herself delivered the letters. So this is a slight difference between both the kinds of pronoun, reflexive and emphatic. But you can see spellings as both in same spellings in the pronouns. But I cleared that the usage of both the pronouns is different as per the position in the sentence. Okay? Now, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are the words which shows the relation of a person or a thing with the subject. Okay? Relation. Like, example, we can have of relative pronouns. Who is, sorry, this can be, this is the girl who won a prize. Or, bring me the books which lie on the shelf. So you can see the relation, bring me. The relation of books is with me. Bring me the books which lie on the shelf. Okay. Then comes demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which point out the subject using this, that, these, and those. This and that is used with singulars. These and those is used with plurals. This and these. These words are used for the things which are near to us. That and those are used with the things which are far from us. Okay? This is the difference. We have to note down singular and plural also when they are used. And after this, we have to note we can see the far or near places. Then we will see in the sentence how we have to place this, that, these, those. So they are basically used to point out the objects. Next one, indefinite, where we are not having any kind of proper or common nouns. You can see the words. Example, some, someone, all, any, many, somebody, none. So there are not any name given there like proper nouns or common nouns. That's why these are called indefinite pronouns. Reciprocals means, for given in the example, each other, one another. These are the words which identify reciprocals in the sentence. They are used as the combination words. Both the words come together as reciprocal in the sentence. 10th one, distributive. Distributive means distribution, and the words can be each, either, neither, every. These all words indicate distributive pronouns. Coming to the next page, please see the chart. The difference of emphatic and reflexive I have already told you by giving the example, and that is again explained here. You just focus on the chart. Singulars and plurals divided into two categories. First person, in singulars we use I, me, and mine, and that turns to plural we, us, and ours. Okay, the singulars change to plurals. Second person, you and yours, they convert to plurals you and yours. Means in singulars and plurals, both the words you and yours remains the same. Their position and their sense remains the same. Third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, and it. These are the words used as singulars, and in plurals they become they, them, and theirs. So these are the usage of pronoun as first, second, and third person to be used as singular, subject, and other than they are converted to plurals, sometimes as subject, sometimes as object. Now, personal pronouns too have cases. Subjective case. Actually, students, here they are mean to say that we are having sentences like subject and predicate to identify. In that means we are using personal pronouns also, sometimes in subject and sometimes in predicates. The first sentence you can see subjective case. He is my friend. She is a singer. We are students and they are players. Everywhere the pronoun indicates the subject. Right? It's clear. In the beginning of the sentence, pronouns are placed as subjects. And in second possessive case, when the pronoun shows a possession, hers, his, mine, theirs, they are called as possessives. Like possessives are used with subjects to show their possession. Like he is your father. So he is the subject and possessive is your, indicating father. So by speaking he is your father, it's clear that your has been placed as possessive pronoun. This is my house. Again, my is possessive. They broke their windows. They is a subject, but possessives, I told you, we will join sometimes s or sometimes the spelling will be changed. They will be converted to their. Okay. The third is objective case. And sometimes the pronouns, personal pronouns are used as objectives in rest of the predicate sentence. My father scolded me. So at last it is written me as objective case. Who gave you this book? Her mother loved her and the teacher taught us English. You can clearly see after the subject, in the rest of the predicate sentence, there lies personal pronouns. Okay? So these all are the subjective, possessive, and objective cases. Now, coming up to the first exercise, it's page number 152 that I'm sharing. Just wait a minute. Yes, children. This is the page number 152. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. First exercise A and first sentence. Could you give me your pen, please? Okay. Could you give me your pen, please? Here you can see you and your used as pronouns. Second one. We enjoyed ourselves a lot. Third sentence. Do you respect your elders? You has been placed. Pronoun. Fourth sentence. Please don't disturb me when I am working. Okay. Next, pick up these books and put them on shelf. This will be them. Okay, class? Them. For books, we will use them. Fifth sentence. Them will be there in the blank. Sixth sentence. I do my work myself. I do my work myself. Seventh. Hi, Ravina. When did you arrive? Okay. Sixth one. You arrive. Eighth. She had spent all her money. Okay. Ninth. Does he play cricket daily? Students, the work of book should be completed as I am sharing on the screen also and I am dictating also. So it should be completed during the online class only. Now B exercise. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. The error is ours. We will change ours to our. We should respect our elder. We should respect our elders. Second sentence. He has done his work. Error is him. Sentence will be joined. We will join his, not him. Third sentence. You can do yours. No. Yours is the error. Your work. Okay. Your is error. Yours. You will place your. Fourth sentence. Where is Sohan? Everyone is waiting for he. He is error. We will write him. Where is Sohan? Everyone is waiting for him. Fifth sentence. My mother chided I. It is me. Okay. I will be replaced with me. And children, the means of chided is scolding. Scolded me. He is better than me. This sentence is correct and we have to write like given in the question. The sentence is totally correct. He is better than me. Seventh sentence. Rohan writes an essay myself. Okay. It will be himself. Rohan writes an essay himself. Eighth sentence. Raju and Preetam are good friends. We live in Delhi. We is the error. They live in Delhi. What will come? They. Raju and Preetam are good friends. They live in Delhi. Next, C exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. First one, I prepare my lunch myself. Let you and I do it. I is the correct option. Third, she is as old as I. Fourth, let me do this work. Fourth one, let me do this work. Children, in third sentence, do a correction, that is me. Me will be there. In the third sentence, C exercise, third one, me. Fifth sentence, she has lost the book that her friend will be there. Her friend gave her. In the fifth sentence, her will be there. She lost the book that her friend gave her. Sixth, I will join you later. I will join you later. Seventh, boys, do your work yourself. SELF. Okay, seventh sentence of C exercise. Boys, do your work yourself. Eighth sentence, we are not as rich as they. They will come, THEY, they. Now D exercise. Exercise D. Join the following sentences using relative pronouns who, whose, which, that. You may have to make some other changes wherever necessary. First one, exercise D. The boy who was selected for IAS is my brother. In the first sentence, who will come? Second sentence, this is the book which I bought yesterday. Which will come in second sentence. Third, this is the man who I cannot tolerate. Third sentence, who. Fourth sentence, he who is lazy never succeeds in life. In the fourth sentence, who will be placed? Who. Fifth sentence, uneasy lies the head who wears a crown. In the fifth also, who is there? Children, one change is there. Fifth one, uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. In the fifth sentence, that will be placed. Sixth sentence, I want to sell the mobile which I bought last year. Which will come? Seventh sentence, God helps those who help themselves. In the seventh, who will come? Eighth sentence, the man whose bike was stolen has informed the police. Whose will come? In eighth sentence, whose.